future marketing in the show. I congratulate Rohit and Islam and I'm President His Excellency Imam Ali and Congress Governor once again for carrying forward this Herculean task of promoting multiculturalism in the whole world. Thank you.
Sözlerini